Today we begin a 2-day journey to see if we can turn these 2 tough slices of brisket into medium rare, tender steaks. Of course, if you've been following us for a few days, the weapon of choice is papaya. But today, a very kind-hearted viewer pointed out, instead of using puree, which is very high in sugar content, you could use papaya extract, which is often sold as a dietary supplement. And the reason why we're using it is papaya is full of an enzyme called papain, which is extremely effective as a tenderiser by breaking down protein, including the tough connective tissue and collagen, which we have plenty here. So, very simple. Since we're going to salt it anyway, we dry brine the steaks, or what would be steaks. With 1% salt, this will season them thoroughly, and the salt would also help break down the protein, but nowhere near as effective as the papain. And given how effective they are, there is a risk, I know it sounds silly for brisket, of over-tenderizing, of making them too mushy. So we take a 2-stage approach. On one steak, we'll add the papain now. Both would go into the fridge uncovered to dry out the surface as well. And tomorrow, 4 hours before cooking, we'll add the papain to the other. Assuming its effect is linear, then we can plot and figure out where we stand. The lady at the meat counter, when I asked for 2 slices, looked at me funny, so we know what a huge ask this is for the papain. Alright, 1 tablet is 1,200 milligrams, so I think half would be plenty on 1 steak. Alright, let's do this one. Suppose we work it in. Alright, I'm gonna say that's half. So, into the fridge uncovered. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, 24 hours, 4 hours. Let's cook some steaks. Hot pan, high smoke point, neutral oil. Perfect. 24 hour, 4 hours. After a 5-minute rest, first up, the 4-hour version. Can we cut it with a table knife? Kind of. Oh wow. It's already better than most briskets I've cooked. Slightly on the chewy side, but this is with the grain, not against the grain. Now, against the grain. I'd say very decent already. If I ordered a sirloin at a bad restaurant, I wouldn't send this back. Now, 24 hours. Table knife. Maybe it's placebo, it feels easier. I definitely wouldn't say there's a linear difference, meaning this is not 6 times better than this. Of course, I should have a control with just salt. But I would definitely say it made a difference. Definitely something worth exploring in the future.